Hey everyone, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to disable the annoying feature on your iPhone that automatically turns on your Wi-Fi. Following these simple steps to get your Wi-Fi off and prevent it from turning back on automatically. First, swiping down from the top right is a common way to toggle off your Wi-Fi. But this won't solve the problem. Even if you turn it off here, it will automatically turn back on the next day. To disable this feature, let's go into your iPhone settings. You'll see the Wi-Fi option at the second one in the list. Make sure the Wi-Fi is still turned on here. Now all you have to do is toggle it off and you're done. From now on, your iPhone won't try to automatically connect to the Wi-Fi network until you manually turn it back on in the settings. So that's it. Hope this simple fix saves you some frustration. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more useful videos like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.